All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an air filter on my 2024 Cub Cadet ZT1 Ultima zero-turn mower. This has the Kohler 7000 series engine, 24 horsepower. I'm actually not going to be replacing it, but I'm going to be taking it out and cleaning it off, and I want to kind of give you guys a quick idea of how to do it. First things first, your air filter lies underneath this. You have debris on there. Take you some compressed air. Get as much garbage off there as you can. You don't want that getting into your engine, and I'll show you why in a second. Next, all I do is take this tab here, move it over. Same with that one, okay? And then gently maneuver this out. Sometimes you gotta push these forward a little bit more. Just take it like so, lift it out. You'll see these little locking tabs here, okay? As you can tell, there is a lot of stuff in this, okay? Don't take this off and then blow air, okay? When you take this off, your engine's exposed and it's open. Take your air right now and blow this off. Do not take that off first. Now you can see how nice and clean it is in here, okay? That's what you want. And your air filter here, just take it, wiggle it back and forth. As you can tell, some garbage fell off. Do not blow it off. Take a rag and wipe it down. This here is your oil filter, or your air filter, I mean. This is your number onto there. So if you gotta buy a new one, you can just, there's your Kohler. Come on. There's your Kohler number, the 3208309. This is a pre-filter. If you notice, the air filter itself is actually pretty clean. This green piece is a pre-filter to kind of filter out, you know, debris from the main filter. This one is still good, but every time I go to use my mower, I will clean this all off nice so it has the right airflow to it. We're gonna simply wipe this stuff out really quickly, and we'll reinstall it. But it's the same thing if you were to replace your air filter. I figured I'd make a video on it in case somebody was curious to know how to do it. I figured, why not make the video so somebody can use the information. I'm gonna clean all the debris out of this too, the oil and whatnot out of here. You want to just, cleanliness in an engine is vital for performance in life. So we just want to make sure you get this nice and spotless in here. If you do not have access to compressed air, like you don't have a big air compressor, go to Walmart or some kind of a store that sells those little pre-filled air cans for computer desks that you blow off the compressed air in there. That will do a similar job. Buy 1 or 2 cans of that, and it'll be about the same difference there. But all right, so once you get nice and clean in there and no more debris in there, take your air filter. Now I'm gonna wipe this off right away too, wipe it out, just because I don't want any gunk in there at all. But you'll just take the air filter, and it's gonna sit with this towards the back. Just take that guy, just press it down nice and gentle. You'll feel it bottom out, and then, you know, that's all that takes. Take your cover. Mine's still pretty, well, I'll wipe that off quick. That was a little bit, get any debris off of this too right away while it's out, you know. All right, so once that's done, you're gonna take your cover. I usually just set it down nice, just like so. Just when you set it down, make sure that these tabs are the same as that. It'll set right into there. You'll see it. Take that, clamp it down, take that, clamp it down, nice and flush, and away it go. And that's all she takes. Very simple to do. take me a couple seconds. So anybody that needs to do an air filter or at least clean it out, that's what I do. And that's all it takes. So thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.